Hello students, how are you? So today's lecture is for medieval period, the rise and spread of Christianity, and our today's topic is spread of Christianity. So we have studied up to the crucifixion of Jesus Christ. So what happened after the death of Jesus Christ? So after the death of Jesus, his followers Peter, Paul and John zealously, that means full of passion, spread Christianity in the Roman Empire. Christians were regarded as dangerous, disloyal, and unpatriotic. That's why when a great fire broke out in Rome during the reign of Nero in CE 62, who was a Roman emperor, he held Christians responsible for it. This fire continued for 6 days and 16 districts were set on fire. So he killed Saint Paul and persecuted Christians ruthlessly. He used to burn them alive and sometimes he used to throw them in front of wild animals in amphitheater. This Nero was very cruel and heartless person. For example, in the first picture you can see Nero. He is standing in his palace and outside you can see the fire on which the Christians are burning alive. In the second one you can see he is going through his chariot and the Christians are hanging on the cross and they are set on the fire, and in the third picture you can see the Christians were thrown in front of wild animals in amphitheater. Another Roman emperor, Marcus Aurelius, was over there. He has also tortured thousands of Christians. One another Roman emperor was over there, Diocletian. He has ruled from CE 284 to CE 305. He had removed Christians from army and public offices, burnt so many churches and refused to free the Christian slaves. Now let us see the role of Emperor Constantine. So this is our Emperor Constantine. You can see once upon a time there was a battle between Roman Emperor Constantine I and Maxentius. He is also a Roman Emperor of Balkan states at a place near Milvian Bridge. When he was marching with his army, he saw a cross of light above the sun. You can see in the picture. With it, Greek words were written. Over there in the picture you can see Ento te Nike Nike, which means in Latin, in this sign thou shalt conquer. In English it means in this sign you shall conquer. At first he was unsure of the meaning of the apparition, but in the following night he had a dream in which Christ explained to him that he should use the sign against his enemies. So in next day in the battle he has used this sign against his enemies. On the shield of his soldiers he has put this sign, and what happened? He became victorious in this battle. So by this incident he had built some respect in his heart for Christianity. Now what happened after that battle? There was edict of toleration. It means, what do you mean by edict? Edict means letter signed by Roman emperor. In CE 311, after that battle only, Roman Emperor Galerius of Bulgaria, Constantine I of Rome, Licinius of Thrace had signed edict of toleration and officially ended the persecution of Christians. Then edict of Milan is over there in CE 313. The Roman emperors Constantine I and Licinius issued edict of Milan in which they have legalized Christianity across whole Roman Empire. One another Roman emperor was over there, Theodosius I. He had made Christianity as a state religion. Slowly, Christianity spread in all European countries. Emperor Constantine established Christianity and introduced laws supporting Christian moral teachings. He started a custom of observing Sunday as a holiday, Sabbath, observing a day as a rest and a prayer. Christ's disciple Saint Paul carried Christ's teaching to various countries like Greece and Rome. The Roman Emperor Constantine embraced Christianity in CE 313 and it became the official religion of the Roman Empire by the end of 4th century CE. The Bishop of St. Peter's Church in Rome came to be considered as the representative of Christ on the earth. and people start calling him as Pope. So in the next video, we will study about the emergence of Constantinople as new capital. Thank you.